Kevin Chudasma, after completing his BBA, chose STAD Solutions online software testing training. Let's hear from him.
Hello everyone. This is Kevin. I have completed my BBA in 2021. I have 1.5 years of experience in non-IT industry. After losing interest from my field, I have such opportunity which suits my personality. After discussing with my friends, I got my interest in IT sector. After then I searched in internet. I have found STAD Solutions. So I joined STAD Solution for manual testing. Here I learned all the basic concepts like software testing, mobile testing, software development's life cycle, and I also work on live project as well. Such teaching in STAD Solutions and the trainers are very excellent. Special thanks to Kashyap ma'am, who teach me the whole manual testing process and manual testing course. I recommended STAD Solution who want to make career in software testing field. Thank you.